In the late 19th century, a pioneering nurse and public health researcher revolutionized hospital design. At a time where hospitals were engulfed in shadows and darkness, Florence Nightingale advocated that light, fresh air, pure water, and cleanliness would accelerate recovery from illness and play a critical role in human wellness. Her groundbreaking hospital environments became known as Nightingale wards. She believed more than a century ago that better light meant better health. We are inspired to carry on her spirit of innovation. Today, the light of Nightingale shines brighter than ever. Born from decades of expertise, Nightingale is a leap forward in illuminating healthcare spaces. Our luminaires embrace the power of light and work seamlessly with control systems at the fingertips of those who give and receive care. From lighting exam rooms to unobtrusive observation, a simple touch provides optimal illumination that fills the patient room. We have reinvented light fixtures, redefining layers of light for harmonious environments with one purpose: to respond to patient preferences and transform light from a practical consideration into a feeling of wellness. In this world, layers of light are purposefully designed to contribute to better experiences, to assure that the way is clearly illuminated. We create soothing and caring environments that attend to the well-being and needs of practitioners, patients, and families. We envision a future where lighting is driven by one purpose: to help human beings at their time of greatest need. Welcome to Nightingale, where lighting is powered by purpose.